It's a beautiful Ohio day, and I'm on a small building here. Well, three buildings. I guess you'd call this one. There might be four. That's connected there. And then this seems like a second building. Could be that they added on a vestibule, connected that house. But we got a little bit of work over here. I'm gonna walk you around, so if y'all wanna stop what you're doing, start walking, we'll get some exercise, get some cardio in, get those extra larges down to a large, so windowcleaningresource.com can make sure to stock the proper size shirts for all you guys to order, so you can look as good as I do, if you can see me, I don't know, in that, and continue on walking. Now, my truck way down over there, and today I've got about 900 to 1,000 feet. I got my two 300-foot RHG reels out, a couple 100-foot lines, and then another 100-foot line to the truck, so about just under 1,000 feet today. And we got building number 2 right there. That thing right there is building number 3. There's the rest of building number 1. Not much work here today. I'll be here tomorrow to finish up a little bit. But you can see we got some glass. I get up on the rooftops over there. I went around the building, around the front side of my truck there. And I came around the front of that building, up by that tower. And get up on that tower. I'm going to send Eric Sanchez up there. And I'm going to have him drop down on half of it. And I'm going to have Troy Landon do the ladder work on the rest of it. We're going to duct tape two 54-foot ladders. What are they, 54s? 52s? Whatever that. We're going to duct tape them together. Get up there and do that. Get Ledger Dan Burns with his ledger up there too on the ladder. Nice, a little bit of glass there. Play some basketball tomorrow when I'm here. Got a new spot opening on the Cavs now that LeBron's gone. You guys in Los Angeles, you got him, you can keep him. They're gonna get me. I don't know how to shoot a ball to save my life, but I'll do it for a third of what he was taking. And looking across the street here, buildings, in the trees there, some more buildings, down the street buildings, there's buildings all through here. Well, this one goes on down. That's where the building we started on. I don't know if you could see way down there. My tucker pole is sticking out way back there. Hey, you know what? They don't have their flag up. Dang doodle, get that flag up. Let's go back here and look at this one. Just a few happy little windows. Who's that, Bob Ross? Happy trees. For us window cleaners, we got happy little windows behind those happy little trees right there. Just nice and serene out here. You guys that are religious, what is that? Church of Jesu? I don't know. I'm not religious. I am window cleaner religious, whatever you want to call it. Window cleaner spiritual. I don't take away from anybody else's beliefs, and I'll fight with you for them. Yeah, that little building right there. And that one right there. What's that? I don't know what that is in there. Some little room. Haven't been inside much. There's that 300-foot RHG with the 1/4 inch clear braided. Those reels are great. Those things have been really great this year. I love the ease of moving those around. I got a 100-foot lead tapped into that blue that goes down right over. You can see the end at this walkway. Got up on there. What are those crests? Those are pretty cool. Any of you guys know about that stuff? Come on with it and tell me, because they're pretty cool. And look over here, more buildings back there. Buildings, little buildings everywhere. Saying, clean me. Look at that. That turned out nice. Real nice and beautiful. We should go in, shouldn't we? I want to show you something. You know, I always like. Yeah, look at that glass in there. All right, I gotta whisper. We're in a church, and that's so cool. I don't know if that glass shows off the color. Very cool though. Right, even more glass. Glass everywhere. I don't know who that guy is, but he's the guardian of the doors. And who that is. Some of you folks will know. You'll be able to tell me. That'd be really cool. You know what, by the way, those are cool. I want to get one of those for the house. Keeps the cats out of the garbage. Damn cats, always getting into the garbage. Just thought I'd mention that. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see. Buildings. More buildings. And there's another one of those crusty things. Let's see if we get a good shot of that. Somebody, let's move this way. I'm the best camera operator you guys know, aren't I? Take a look at that thing. What is that? I don't know. It's got a story, I'm sure. Well, we come along and here is my hose that has tied me into all three buildings. All this work here behind these trees. Who doesn't love trees? Beautiful. A little bit of ladder work, get up there, take the water fed up on there. Hey, you know what's some good advice? You know, I don't know how you take it. Take it slow and easy. Get into the flow. Yeah, I'm tapped in right over there. Back around to my truck. If you guys are walking this whole time, it's only 8 minutes. That's not much cardio. We got to get this going for about 45 minutes one day. I'm going to have to get some bigger buildings. All right, there it is. Small amount of work. This will be about a day and a third for me. Solo. Lakewood window cleaning. That's how we roll. Have a great day, window cleaners.